Today, I will make you an unstoppable beast. You will build unshakable self-confidence in this video. Let me tell you a secret. People without self-confidence are easy targets. I'm going to boost your self-confidence like a beast. Don't skip a single part of this script because you will regret later. And do subscribe if you want to become unstoppable. So, here are 8 steps that will make you unstoppable, and steps 8 is very important. So if you miss that, then you'll miss everything. Step 1. Embrace your uniqueness. Imagine a world where you're celebrated for being exactly who you are. Sounds amazing, right? In this first step, you'll discover what makes you truly unique. Think about your special qualities, whether it's your creativity, problem-solving skills, or empathy. Write these down and reflect on them daily. By embracing your unique traits, you're not just building confidence, you're building a foundation for success. Don't skip this part. Understanding your uniqueness is the key to unlocking your confidence. Step 2. Set small, achievable goals. Here's a secret. Confidence is built from small victories. Curious how? Start by setting tiny, achievable goals. Whether it's finishing a book, learning a new skill, or organizing a project, every small win boosts your confidence. Watch how each success fuels your self-belief and propels you towards bigger challenges. Stick around to find out how these small wins can lead to monumental growth. Step 3. Challenge your negative thoughts. Ever wonder why negative thoughts keep dragging you down? It's time to turn the tables. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, question it. Is it really true, or just your inner critic? Replace those thoughts with positive affirmations. For example, swap "I'm not good enough" with "I am capable and deserving." This simple switch can radically change how you see yourself. Stay tuned to learn how transforming your thoughts can revolutionize your confidence. Step 4. Surround yourself with positivity. Think about the people around you. Are they lifting you up or dragging you down? Surrounding yourself with positive, supportive individuals can skyrocket your self-esteem. Imagine the impact of being in an environment where you're constantly encouraged. Find those who inspire you and step away from negativity. Curious about how your social circle influences your confidence? Don't miss out on this crucial step. Step 5. Visualize your success. Ever wondered how top performers achieve their goals? They use visualization. Close your eyes and picture yourself succeeding. Feel the emotions. See the process. This mental rehearsal isn't just daydreaming. It prepares you for real-life success. The more vividly you visualize, the more confident you'll become. Stick with us to discover how this powerful technique can unlock your true potential. Step 6. Celebrate your achievements. Why is celebrating success so important? Every small achievement, no matter how tiny, builds your confidence. Completing a project, overcoming a challenge, each success is a step forward. Reward yourself and create a positive feedback loop that encourages further growth. Want to know how celebrating can supercharge your confidence? Stay tuned to learn why this step is a game changer. Step 7. Practice self-compassion. Here's a truth. Everyone makes mistakes. But how you treat yourself in those moments can make all the difference. Practice self-compassion by being as kind to yourself as you'd be to a friend. Understand that setbacks are part of the journey, not a reason to give up. Curious about how self-compassion can strengthen your resilience? Don't miss this crucial insight. Step 8. Develop competence through learning. Want to know the secret to feeling confident? It's competence. Invest time in learning and mastering new skills related to your goals. The more skilled you become, the more confident you'll feel. Whether it's taking a course, reading a book, or gaining new experiences, your growing expertise will naturally boost your confidence. Stick around to find out how continuous learning can lead to lasting self-assurance. Building self-confidence is a journey, not a destination. By embracing your uniqueness, setting achievable goals, challenging negative thoughts, surrounding yourself with positivity, visualizing success, celebrating achievements, practicing self-compassion, and continuously learning, you can create unshakable confidence. Remember, this journey is ongoing, and every step you take makes a difference. So these are the 8 most powerful hacks to boost your self-confidence. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to start your journey to greater self-confidence, and share it with friends who could use a confidence boost. Let's unlock our potential and achieve greatness together.